Kejriwal has also told the Delhi police that he doesn't need security or any escort or personal security officer. His father today reiterated this claim.
तो उनको भी भगवान पे विश्वास है कि जिस दिन जाना है उस दिन तो सबको जाना है, कोई नहीं बच सकता, चाहे जो भी बहाना बने। मकान वो कह रहे हैं फ्लैट, आम आदमी तो आम आदमी फ्लैट में रहेगा, फ्लैट में दे दो।
Well, let's go across to Tanima now, who joins us from outside Kejriwal's residence there in Ghaziabad. Tanima, even today, police officers came there to offer security to Kejriwal.
That's right. In fact, we saw it very interestingly, though, just a short while back. There were 5 policemen from Ghaziabad police who had, in fact, stayed overnight at Arvind Kejriwal's flat complex. They were staying at a room right next to the lift of this complex we are standing in front of which right now. And they had stayed overnight. They were here from last evening. They were not following him around to all the events or even the Janta Darbar that he went to in the morning. But they had fixed themselves over here according to orders which had come in from their seniors. But just a short while back, we saw all the 5 constables who had stayed overnight at Kejriwal's residence leave the complex because once again Arvind Kejriwal has refused security from the police. Of course, at the moment it is the Ghaziabad police which is dealing with this matter, but soon after, once he takes oath and becomes the Chief Minister of Delhi officially, he will of course be deputed a government flat in Delhi, and whether or not the Delhi police will have to consider whether or not to give him security despite his refusal. But so far Kejriwal has continuously refused any sort of security, and as the soundbite also played out just a short while back, Arvind Kejriwal's father also reiterated that they felt there was no security needed for the Aam Aadmi Party chief. But of course, the other issues which are going to be taken up by Kejriwal today, we just saw a short while back, or some of the senior leaders of the party have come in to meet him, including Sanjay Singh, Manish Sisodia and Kumar Vishwas. They are here right now. There's no official meeting that the party is having. That's what they are claiming at the moment. But of course, some matters will have to be discussed, because even at the Janta Darbar, some of the questions that were put up to the Aam Aadmi Party chief were essentially about power and water, 2 of the most important promises that he has made in his manifesto, the 18-point manifesto which he had given out just before the elections, where he promised that 50% of the power bill would be reduced and 700 litres of water would be given to each household of Delhi. So these are the 2 important points on which the Aam Aadmi Party would want to focus right now. Of course, it's a huge challenge, even Kejriwal admits it, but for the moment, of course, they are going to start building a roadmap, because they will be sworn in by Saturday, and right after that they will be, of course, sitting on the floor of the house. So they will have to figure out a roadmap, because that will be the main points through which the opposition would be targeting Aam Aadmi Party. So at the moment, though, there is no official meeting which is going on over here, but there are several key leaders from the party who have just reached Kejriwal's residence. Gargi?
Right, Tanima, and there's still decisions to be made regarding the cabinet.
That's right. Even in the morning, even yesterday, everybody has in fact been asking Arvind that question, essentially after there was a small embarrassment for the party after Vinod Kumar Bindi in fact walked out of the party meeting day before yesterday. Although they resolved the issue within 24 hours, and they told the media that it was entirely a media creation and that there was actually no problem with any of the elected members of the party regarding any portfolios that they could be given later. But yes, there was a small embarrassment. So at the moment, though, the Aam Aadmi Party is being very tight-lipped. They're keeping it very close to the chest. And even today, when Arvind was asked that question, he said it very clearly that within the next 24 to 48 hours, they will be deciding on who gets what portfolio, who is a part of the cabinet, and they will be making it clear most probably by tomorrow. Gargi?
All right, Tanima, thanks so much for joining us with all that.